The curriculum definitely lends itself to flexibility. Maybe you don't have 20 minutes for that particular lesson. Maybe you can shave off a part of it. And it gives you enough tools.
Each of their lessons are typically designed to be about a half hour, but I oftentimes will spend several weeks on, say, A equals attention.
I can only speak to kids with IEPs because those are the students that I specifically teach. I oftentimes will take the learning target of the kindness curriculum and even find some extra activities to go with it. I think every single component is easy for me to find something that is best for my students while still staying within that learning target of each lesson.
And there's a lot of books, and so whether or not your library has them or if you can check them out or if you have money to order them, so get ahead of yourself a little bit.
I use the Smartboard for most of the books because I like it. Also, it's a lot easier to find them online than sometimes at my library or in the school.
I really like that the lessons are kind of laid out in a way where you can say, how can I work this into what I already do? You know, there was one lesson where we had to think about like trying new foods. So we changed, the time of the lesson to snack time, which worked with our schedule, and then we were able to kind of work that in, and it was great.
There's parts that I will change or language that I might simplify. Sometimes I'll switch out one book for another. So it's a very helpful guide, but I'm not going verbatim from the script.
If there's something that you think would be better served for your specific students by going outside of the curriculum and bringing it in and making it your own, I think definitely do it.
The curriculum's so flexible and it gives you the basis. And I think you can go where you need to go.